your responsibilities. All right? Here's my concerns. Your participation. See, I can't do this alone. The key difference between the marketing plan formula and just another strategy or marketing quick fix is that the value of this plan, it's actually built on your business. It is totally unique to your business. So I can show you what to do, but if you don't apply the lessons and do the work, the value goes out the window. For example, we're gonna find your most profitable, ideal customers. And there's very specific ways to do this. Looking at your competitors or similar businesses, this won't help you. I'm gonna show you how to do it, but you gotta do the work. I'll give you everything you need, but I can't make you do it. It's that old saying, you can lead a horse to water, but I can't make you drink. So I know you're gonna do this work, and I know you're gonna transform the business. And like everything else in the world, we can't do it alone. So for our community and getting the most value distributed as efficiently as possible, our forum is the best medium for this. So please, if you haven't already, jump into the forum and introduce yourself. And finally, a note on privacy. I want to encourage sharing, honest sharing. We can all learn and grow from each other. No one here needs to reinvent the wheel. There's great value in this. And the only way to have honest sharing is to ensure that it's kept private. Here is our confidentiality agreement. Any confidential information, it includes any matter shared in our forums, our calls, our chats, everything. That's confidential information. It does not include any publicly known information or the names or occupations of our community members. So I'm going to ask you to agree that what gets shared in our community is kept private. We will enforce confidentiality policies by removing anyone that violates the trust of this group. We're all grown-ups here. Enough said. So let's jump to the next lesson. I'm going to teach you how to get the most out of this process.